choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo. I must be crazy now. Maybe I dream too much, but when I think of you, I long to feel your touch, to whisper in your ear, or start out all last time. Baby, I think of you, I long to feel your touch. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move when you look in my eyes. Just for now, I know that you'd feel the way that I do. And I'd whisper the words and just lie here by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These three words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you back me will always be together till the end of time. Hi mga ka-viewers!